Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into your Udemy Business account. Easy guide step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser on your computer or mobile device. Check that your internet connection is working properly. In the address bar, type business, udemy.com and press enter. Wait for the Udemy Business page to fully load. Look for the login button on the page. Click or tap login to open the sign-in screen. Choose the login method your organization uses. If you see multiple options, if your company uses SSO, select Continue with SSO. Enter your work email address exactly as provided by your organization. Click Continue to be redirected to your company's sign-in page. Type your company password if your organization asks for it. Complete any verification step, such as a code or approval if prompted. After authentication, you should be redirected back to Udemy Business automatically. If your organization does not use SSO, select the email and password option. Click the email field and type your Udemy Business email address. Click the password field and type your password carefully. Make sure caps lock is off to avoid incorrect password entry. Click Login to access your account. If you forgot your password, click Forgot Password on the login page. Enter your email address and submit the password reset request. Open your email inbox and look for the reset email from Udemy. Click the reset link and create a new strong password. Return to business, Udemy.com and log in again with the new password. If you are already signed in on another Udemy account, open the profile menu. Select Logout to avoid being redirected to the wrong account. Go back to the Udemy Business login page and sign in with your work email. Once inside, confirm you are on Udemy Business by checking the dashboard or organization name. If you see an access error, contact your company admin to confirm your license is active. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.